ABS-CBN and subsidiaries at saka po yung revenues reported by ABS-CBN, wala pong pagkakaiba yun. So ang pinag-uusapan po natin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 years, walang pagkakaiba po yun. Tama naman po dapat ang presentation na gano'n. At nung panahon na yun nga, itong 7 years na ito, Mr. Chair, ang tax code was amended, nag-decrease po ng rates yung corporate income tax, dumating na po yung rehimen ng minimum corporation income tax, dumating na rin po yung net operating loss carryover, yung NOLCO, at marami pang ibang mga changes. Pero, noong 1998 po, 34% ang CIT rate. Ito po yung corporate income tax rate. At noong namang 1999, naging 33% CIT rate. Tama po yun, Mr. ABS-CBN.